Are you summarizing, paraphrasing, or actually synthesizing your sources?
Who do you ask when writing gets tough? Ask the editor, we know our stuff.
These three terms are often used interchangeably, but they serve very different purposes in academic writing. Let's start with summarizing. A summary gives a broad overview of a source's main ideas in a shorter form. For example, Smith 2020 examined the impact of formative assessment on student achievement and found overall improvements across multiple grade levels. This example condenses the main idea without going into detail. Next is paraphrasing. A paraphrase restates a specific idea or passage from a source in your own words, usually at or about the same level of detail. For example, Smith 2020 found that using formative assessment strategies led to measurable gains in student performance. Here, the focus is on the idea, rewritten clearly and concisely. Now let's look at synthesizing, which is where many writers actually struggle. Synthesis combines ideas from multiple sources to create a new, unified point. For example, research shows that formative assessment improves student achievement while also increasing engagement across grade levels. This is from Garcia 2021 and Smith 2020. Here, the sentence brings together findings from more than one study to support a broader claim. That's the key difference. Summarizing and paraphrasing focus on one source, while synthesizing brings multiple sources together to support your own idea. Here's a simple way to remember it. Summarizing is the big picture of one source. Paraphrasing is a specific idea from one source. And synthesizing combines ideas from multiple sources. Strong academic writing moves beyond summarizing and paraphrasing. It synthesizes sources to build clear, supported arguments. Thanks for joining me for Ask the Editor. If you need a second set of eyes on your writing, Preferred Edits offers professional editing services to help you refine and prepare your work for submission. Be sure to follow along for more quick tips in this series, and until next time, make every word count.